Could our universe be nestled inside a black hole? It seems like a paradox, a cosmic riddle wrapped in an enigma. After all, black holes are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. How could such a place give rise to the vast, expanding cosmos we observe? The idea might sound outlandish at first. However, a closer look at the nature of black holes and the origin of our universe reveals intriguing parallels that make this theory surprisingly compelling. It challenges us to rethink our place in the cosmos and question the very fabric of reality itself. Black holes are born from the death throes of massive stars. When these stellar giants exhaust their nuclear fuel, they collapse under their own gravity. This collapse compresses the star's core to an infinitely small, infinitely dense point called a singularity. The singularity is enveloped by an event horizon, a boundary in space-time beyond which nothing can return. Cross the event horizon, and you are forever trapped within the black hole's gravitational grip. Time itself distorts within a black hole, slowing down as you approach the singularity. Now let's consider the Big Bang, the event that marked the beginning of our universe. About 13.8 billion years ago, our universe emerged from a state of unimaginable density and temperature, rapidly expanding and cooling to form the cosmos we know today. The conditions at the Big Bang bear a striking resemblance to the singularity at the heart of a black hole. Both are characterized by extreme density, intense gravity, and a breakdown of our understanding of physics. This similarity leads to a fascinating possibility. What if our universe is the interior of a black hole existing within a larger parent universe? Section 4. White Holes and Echoes of the Big Bang. This theory gains further intrigue when we consider the concept of white holes. White holes are hypothetical objects that are essentially the opposite of black holes. While nothing can escape a black hole, nothing can enter a white hole. They are thought to be the other side of black holes where matter and energy are ejected outward. Some physicists speculate that the Big Bang itself might have been a white hole, a point where a massive amount of matter and energy erupted into existence from a singularity. This eruption could be the result of a black hole in a parent universe collapsing and expelling its contents, forming our own universe. Section 5. A boundless cosmic perspective. If we do indeed reside within a black hole, does that mean we are trapped? Not necessarily. Remember, our universe is constantly expanding. This expansion could continue indefinitely, even within the confines of a black hole's event horizon. The idea of our universe existing within a black hole might seem mind-boggling, even unsettling. However, it is a testament to the boundless nature of scientific inquiry and the mysteries that the universe continues to hold. It is a reminder that our understanding of the cosmos is constantly evolving, and that the most profound discoveries often come from questioning our most fundamental assumptions.